some members of Congress that you cannot abuse your rights and privileges without encountering pushback. Ito ikwento ko lang. Ngayon, umpisahan nila yung TRICOM hearing on guidelines daw on fake news. Kasi, eto, get this. Kaya nila ginawa yung TRICOM na yon dahil may mga fake news daw na targeted against members of the Quadcom. Unang-una, kung alam mo ang iyong konstitusyon, you cannot do that. You cannot start legislation for the benefit of a particular class of people. That is class legislation that is prohibited under the Constitution. Hindi pwedeng gagawa kami ng batas para sa amin lang. That's unallowable class legislation. Gagawa ka ng batas, mag-iimbestiga ka dahil kinikriticize ang Quadcom. Saang planeta na naman pwede yan?